Grater turbine box torque adjustment. The turbine box of a grater not only has the function of transmitting power, but also has the overload protection ability for the working mechanism. After long-term operation of the turbocharger, the internal friction plates will have certain losses and become thinner, which will lead to a decrease in overload protection parameters. To readjust the torque of relevant components, the following work needs to be done. Remove the bolts and remove the box cover at the top of the turbocharger. Remove the bolts and remove the pressure cover of the ratchet. Using a sharp tool, pry open the stop pawl of the ratchet. And use a corresponding hex wrench to rotate the ratchet counterclockwise to loosen all the ratchets. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten each ratchet to the standard torque value of 18 plus or minus 1 Nm. Precautions for ratchet adjustment. The adjustment of the ratchet mechanism must be carried out in several steps according to the numerical order. And it must be gradually applied in several times according to the numerical order in the diagram. When the ratchet adjustment approaches the specified value, slight adjustments must be made to ensure consistent adjustment data. When adjusting, if the torque of the ratchet mechanism exceeds the specified value, do not adjust counterclockwise. Clean up thoroughly after the adjustment is completed. Install the ratchet cover, then apply sealant and install the turbocharger cover.